Think you've seen every version of chicken and potatoes? Think again. This chicken breast potatoes recipe brings a mouth-watering keto twist that will completely change how you look at comfort food. Whether you're following a keto diet for weight loss or just want something high in protein and flavor, this recipe checks every box. And yes, it's so good it might just shock you. We begin with 3 chicken breasts, trimmed and seasoned generously with salt, black pepper, and a hint of red pepper for just the right kick. This combo is not just healthy, it's bursting with flavor. Next, we add 1 thinly sliced onion, sautéed gently in olive oil until it's golden and aromatic. This fragrant base sets the tone for a rich, hearty meal that's far from your typical bland chicken dinner. Now comes the twist. While potatoes aren't always the go-to in keto diet recipes, this variation takes moderation and smart substitutions seriously. We use 4 potatoes, sliced thin and arranged in layers for better texture and controlled carbs. Just enough to add satisfaction without breaking ketosis for most moderate plans. This makes it ideal for those following keto diet recipes in Tamil, Telugu, or even Sinhala, where potatoes are staple ingredients. For a rich and creamy finish, 200 ml of heavy cream is whisked with 2 eggs, a teaspoon of curry powder, and a sprinkle of Provencal herbs. This mixture is poured over the layered chicken and potatoes before baking, locking in moisture and flavor. Place it in the oven at 390 degrees for 40 minutes and let the magic happen. Want a cheesy top? Who doesn't? After the first bake, we sprinkle 120 grams, or 1 cup, of Gruyere cheese, known for its nutty and melty goodness, over the top, along with fresh slices of tomato. Bake for another 10 minutes, then broil for 2 to 3 minutes to get that golden, bubbling crust that looks straight out of a 5-star restaurant. This isn't just any chicken and potatoes recipe. It's the kind of elevated dish that fits perfectly into keto diet recipes for beginners. And it's flexible too. Whether you're cooking with an oven or adapting it into an air fryer, stovetop, or even slow cooker, this dish holds up. From chicken and potato recipes, Malayalam lovers, to those looking for high-protein, chicken breast and potatoes recipes for dinner, it's a one-pan wonder. Trying to skip the oven. This can even be adapted into chicken and potato recipes without oven, using a covered skillet or Dutch oven for a stovetop version. For meal preppers, this doubles well in a crock pot or slow cooker, making your week easier without sacrificing taste. Globally, from keto diet recipes Pakistani to vegetarian Indian keto diet recipes, and from keto diet recipes in Hindi to Bangla, this fusion of creamy textures and savory protein is gaining attention. Even Dr. Jahangir Kabir, keto followers, will appreciate how well this fits a balanced meal plan with good fats, lean protein, and smart carbs. Pair it with a side of greens or enjoy it solo. Either way, this chicken breast potato recipe oven edition will impress. Whether you're a gym goer, seeking chicken and potato recipes, high protein, or someone searching for a chicken breast mashed potatoes recipe with a twist, this is the ultimate flavor-packed dish. So next time you're looking for a chicken and potatoes recipe oven style or an indulgent meal that aligns with your keto diet plan, remember this: comfort food doesn't need to be carb-loaded. It just needs to be creative.